Well, Dr Hannah Walsh from the British Society of Paediatric Dentistry joins me now. So thank you so much for joining me, Dr Hannah. You're a children's dentist. As we've just seen in the video there, obviously tooth decay can be a really big problem. What is tooth decay and how can we prevent it?
Okay, tooth decay is when we eat anything sugary in our diet or we drink anything sugary. The sugar enters our mouth and the natural bacteria in our mouth convert the sugar into acid. It's this acid that attacks our teeth and breaks down the hard enamel layer of our teeth and causes holes. If we leave these holes untreated, they can go on to cause toothache, and worst case scenario, it can actually cause infection and a lot of pain and suffering.
Okay, and it might seem really obvious, but why is it so important that we look after our teeth?
Because we want to avoid toothache, we want to avoid infection, and we want to avoid having to go to the dentist for any treatment. We want to make sure going to the dentist is nice for our checkups where we possibly can do, and for our prevention advice.
Okay, so we should be brushing our teeth twice a day. I want you to tell me loads about it. How long should we be brushing them for? And you've got your giant teeth and toothbrush with you here. Tell us, how should we be brushing our teeth?
Okay, so it's really important that we brush our teeth 2 times a day. Last thing at night before bed is the most important time to brush your teeth, and then choose another time of the day which suits you. We need to brush for 2 minutes, and we want to brush with a fluoride toothpaste. Fluoride is the real superhero within our toothpaste, which can protect our teeth from tooth decay. It hardens up the outer layer of your tooth, making it more resistant to the sugar and acid attacks that we talked about before. When we brush our teeth, we want to brush for 2 minutes, and I'll show you in a second on my model. But using a toothpaste with fluoride in it, keep a little bit on your teeth when you finish brushing. Spit out the excess and leave a little bit on your teeth. Okay. Don't rinse with water or mouthwash after you've brushed your teeth, because the toothpaste is such good quality and doing such a good job. So my take-home message really today is spit and don't rinse.
Okay, super. Right, let's have a look at the teeth. How should we be brushing? Are we brushing up and down? Are we brushing in circles?
A little bit of both, to be honest. I like to make sure I've brushed every single surface of the teeth. So pick an area of the mouth that you want to start at. So you might want to start here on the top left-hand side. You want to brush all the way along the top, all along the surfaces of the teeth that you bite on, but also along the insides as well. And this is the same at the bottom. We like to also not only brush the teeth, but brush the gums as well, because they're equally as important. Sometimes angling the brush at a little angle, which allows the bristles to go under the gums slightly, will really tickle the gums and make sure they're incredibly clean as well.
Oh, wow. Well, thank you so much for joining us today, Dr Hannah. Brilliant top tips. We need to get all sides of our teeth.